The job market just changed forever, and most people haven't realized it yet. AI isn't replacing programmers. It's replacing the need to be a programmer. That distinction matters. When everyone can build software, the value shifts from writing code to having ideas worth building. Think about what that means for every industry. An accountant who can build their own financial tools. A teacher who can create custom learning apps. A designer who can ship their own products without hiring a developer. A small business owner who can automate their entire operation. These aren't hypothetical scenarios. This is happening right now. The companies that will dominate the next decade aren't the ones with the most engineers. They're the ones whose people can think clearly about problems and direct AI to solve them. New job titles are already appearing. AI product manager, prompt engineer, AI integration specialist. These roles didn't exist 2 years ago, and the old roles are transforming too. Every knowledge worker will need to know how to work with AI. Not someday. Now. The question isn't whether you'll use AI to build. The question is when you'll start. And the people who start now will have an enormous advantage over those who wait. More at End of Coding.